Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen, and today is Upcrate Day. Upcrate is a monthly art subscription box from Germany. It's one of the cheaper options out there, about $25 a month, roughly, give or take. I'll post the price right here. And I actually did do a yearly subscription, so I'm not quite sure how much I paid. But it was more affordable than some of the other ones. It is a brand new, well, fairly new art subscription box. I think this is their 6th or 7th box, and I haven't gotten them all. I skipped the first one. So, so far they've been like markers, pens, and last month was watercolor. So let's see what's inside. Oh, and it is pirate themed, so that's kind of neat and different. So here's the inside of the box, where they have a little piece of paper that says what to do, uncrate it, take the how to do, watch the how to do videos, and then there's a battle. The battle is just posting your creations on social media. And then first up is their personalized little packet. And as you can see here, this is number 7. So I'll put that aside and open it last. Looks like we are all bundled up this month, which is very nice. And they always include paper, which I really appreciate. Sometimes a lot of paper, sometimes just a little bit, I think, depending on what type of paper they give us. And this time it looks like it's 4 sheets. And then this is the featured artist. Box a dozen. Very cool, very bright. Looks like markers, maybe. Go Captain Box a Dozen. Tells you a little bit about him, her, and also how to follow them. Looks like they have an Instagram. Yeah, so just a little bit about them, and how they got into art. And then there's always a little sticker at the bottom that says have fun meet. And sorry, now that I got rid of the box, just do a quick little bit of sanitizer. Okay, so what we have in here, cute little sticker. Markers! Some of these markers I've never seen before, and then there's Sharpies, and then there's a purple mechanical pencil. I really like that. By Prodi. Never heard of them before, but let's take it out. And then it looks like we have refill, HB lead. 0.5. I know I said purple, but there's just a little bit of purple on it, but that's very nice. And this does say it's HB, and I think when you put it in there, you can put what kind it is, so you always know. So that's pretty cool. Put this back on HB. That usually means there's no eraser, but there is an eraser this time. So that's cool. It is 0.5. Has an interesting tip. And there is lead in there. So, just to show you. I like it. Okay. And we have a ton of markers. That's one thing about Upcrate. They definitely give us a good amount. And then it looks like we even have a little pouch to put all of them in, which is a nice touch. It's canvas, and it says Sharpie. So we'll put them all in there, and then let's see, this is a Artline Supreme brush marker. Pretty sure we have some Artline markers around here from one of the months. Looks like it's a water-based brush pen. So let's just try to do some calligraphy. I am learning how to do my hand lettering, so sorry if that's a mess. A very pretty purple. And then we've got orange. So there's a nice little orange. There's that refill. Here is a black ultrafine point Sharpie, which will definitely come in handy. As a matter of fact, I have my big boy Sharpie sitting right here. Sharpie wise, we have another one, a black fine point. It's not like a brush tip, it doesn't bend at all, which is typical Sharpie. And I just thought I might be bleeding through this paper. It didn't bleed onto the other one, but it is definitely close. So I'm gonna take this. There's one more Sharpie. This one is a yellow one. So interesting enough, there's only 3 Sharpies out of all of this, but a Sharpie branded bag, so that's interesting, but cute. Very cute. Next up we have these. They are Central Pen Document Fine Liners in 0.5, well it's got a comma. Comma 5 and comma 7, but I think those are 0.5, 0.7 from the Czech Republic. These are water resistant. Store in horizontal position, light fast. I think they're both black. So this is the, looks like this, 0.5. And then this is the 7. So very nice. Fine liners. I have a ton of those. In fact, I've got a ton from this box before, I believe. This is a permanent chisel short, Montana. Waterproof, alcohol-based permanent marker, any surface. This is also from Germany. This is actually really cute. It almost looks like a highlighter. So yeah, so it's alcohol-based with a chisel tip. Very neat. And then the rest of these are Artline Supremes. Brush markers. Artline Supreme brush marker. Yeah, in different colors. So let's check out the colors. I love the color scheme. Pinks and blues and purples. So I think these are water-based. Did I say that earlier with the orange? Yeah, these are water-based. Purple, pink, there's no names, there's no, oh, there are names. Royal blue, this one is sky blue, my mistake, this one is light blue, the pink one was pink, the purple one was purple, the orange one was orange, and this one they say is magenta. I'll put it up there for you, just so you get it. I know I did it up here, but there you go. And then let's see what is inside our little book. So there's some stickers. I am the artist and the art. Nice. Upcrate. Cool little guy. Usually this one is, yeah, so this is box a dozen, so it's the same guy. A little ad for the pencil. It's a new mechanism, quadruples writing length with just one click. Avoid the breakage. The cushion tip inside prevents lead breakage. That's neat. This is the card you put in the picture for your Upcrate bottle. There's a postcard with Box a Dozen's art. They're very cool. And then the little flyer doesn't tell you the prices, but it tells you about the items. They say this is their gimmick this month. I'm not sure why they call it a gimmick, but that's their gimmick. It's like swag every month. That's their gimmick, and then they tell you about the Sharpies. So we've got, oh, it's because I put the Sharpies in the bag, in the Sharpie bag. This one, you can leave the cap off for up to 15 minutes. Yeah, it's Sharpie. And then of course the ultra fine tip one. So that's very cool. So there's those. This pencil, it has 4mm long grade pipe for drawing and drafting. Okay. Pretty cool. I like that. The card's in there too. And then of course they have the lead. This one is the short marker, is the smallest marker in the wide assortment of the Montana cans. So this is a Montana can. Perfect for traditional signing and marking, and great to keep in a pocket or with travels. It houses a 4mm felt tip filled with red pigmented alcohol dye, fast drying characteristics. And then it tells you about the Artline Supreme brush markers. These soft brush nibs are made with polyester fiber, perfect for drawing and painting. These flexible strokes of fine and wide lines give you a wide range of possibilities. You can even create a gradient effect. It is water-based, available in 26 different colors. Add water for a watercolor effect, which I typically do when I am testing anyways, just to see how, if I can find a watercolor marker, how the inks hold up. So let's go ahead. So very cool. You could definitely do a watercolor effect. Of course, you're going to get better results if you do it right away versus waiting like I did. But that also means it's not permanent, so you have to keep that in mind when you're putting stuff on top. The other items, this is the alcohol pen. It's permanent. Fine liners, smear a little bit, but not bad at all. Yeah, there's a little bit on that one. And then of course the Sharpie shouldn't smear at all because it's a Sharpie. And then the pencil. So, and this of course is this marker. So that's neat. We've got a little bit of watercolor effect if we want. Those are the fine liners. So. And then it says there are 26 different colors available. And they gave us 7. These aren't even in there. These are not mentioned, but they are Centro Pen Document fine liners. That of course is mine. And then it of course tells you about the paper. It's marker paper. Thin paper is bleed proof and coated on the back side. It absorbs less ink compared to standard paper, which results in a longer lifetime. I have to say, that is very true. Even though you can see it, it did not bleed through onto what I was drawing. I don't know I'm pretty sure just by the way it was packaged that I'm using the right side, but definitely worth trying both sides, I suppose. This side does feel a little smoother. Thin paper coated on the back side, so the smoother part is probably the back side. So yeah, I was doing it backwards. Let's try the one that bled through was the Sharpie. So let's try the Sharpie. If I put it on the right side, of course I probably shouldn't have. Yeah, so that was my mistake because I did it the other way. And look, I just did 3 swipes there. Here I did like 5 or 6. So, great paper if you use it right. I did not. So, my mistake. Let me know what you think in the comments below about this month's Upcrate. If you got it, leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite item was. If you didn't get it, let me know what your favorite item was. Mine is definitely the mechanical pencil. Happy for the Sharpies too. I definitely could use a couple more Sharpies in my life. I only have that one big boy I used to mark out addresses. So there you have it. This was March's Upgrade. I just got it today. It is March 31st. So pretty late, but with everything going on, and it does come from Germany and I'm in the US. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. As always, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and definitely take more time to create. Have a good day.